Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. Today I have layered stamping and I'm going to stamp these poppy flowers in 2 steps and I'm going to heat emboss it as well. So for the stamping I have from Unity Happy Day Poppies and I also have from Unity postage stamp nesting dies. I'm using the largest die and I'm going to start with the background solid layer to stamp in 2 different shades of pink, the darker pink towards the middle and a lighter pink towards the outside. I'm using My Favorite Things ink cubes. And so then I use the darker shade also for the sentiment. So I go ahead and make 3 passes of this for each flower. And then go ahead and line up sort of where I want it to go using that postage die there. And then position that second flower background the same. Then you clean it off and you heat set just to make sure everything is dry before you go ahead and you do heat embossing. So now you layer the outline stamp over the background panel of that layered stamp, floral stamp. And then you add your embossing powder and heat set each of those. And there you go, you're ready to make a card out of that. I wanted to make a matching envelope using the outline die. It looks pretty with just a outline flower on the outside of that envelope. So I heat embossed and then die cut that front panel. I use wax paper in between just to protect the dies. There you go. It's a great card and envelope. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.